Hi everyone, welcome to this training track on UI automation with Ranorex Studio. In this training, we will take a look at how we can automate the DataMiner Cube UI using a software tool called Ranorex Studio. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at the testing pyramid. We will be working in the top part of the test pyramid here with the GUI tests and end-to-end tests. So before you get started with Ranorex tests, make sure you have a good base and that your code is covered by unit tests. So we want to use Ranorex only for parts that cannot be unit tested, such as the Cube UI or interactive automation scripts or some Visio files. So a common question is, where do we start with automating? Well, in the first place, you want to automate the happy path. This is the workflow that you want your user to follow without special settings, just the workflow as it's designed. Why do you want to automate this first? Because you want to always keep that working. So you want to regression test that. Then the next is the other commonly used workflows. So that's the next step. Basically, you also want those to always continue working. And then after that, you can look into specific cases or issues that cannot be tested using other test strategies, such as unit tests. And then a fourth common ground to create UI tests is performance measurements. Why do you want to create performance measurements using UI testing? Because you want to measure the performance in the way that the user perceives it. So for example, if your backend is blazingly fast, but on the front end, the loading or creating of a visual tree is very slow, you want to get a total picture of the performance as the user perceives it. Also, of course, it can also be the other way around, that your backend is slow and the UI is fast, or something in the communication is slow between both. But if you do a performance measurement on the UI, you will get the performance as the user perceives it.